to grade 7 math. So lesson 1.8 or 1-8, adding with mathematic properties. The mathematic properties can be used to add rational numbers quickly. For example, we have learned a long time ago the commutative property. We know the meaning while switching the order. So now we're going to just do that for adding integers. So you can see the equation -1 plus 11 plus 13 plus -5 plus -7. So think about this. Which number should you switch? So we're going to see. So it's going to be -1 plus 11 plus 13. You have to switch -7 and -5. So you don't really need to change all, but and then, or you can do this: -1 plus -5 plus 7 plus 13 plus 11. You can just see there's brackets around 11, so you can go either way, but 11 and 13 or 5 and 7, -5 and 7. So now we're going to kind of know what the isolative property means. So for example, A plus B parentheses plus C equals A plus B plus C. So for this identity property, this example, we're just going to simplify it. So here's the isolative property. -1 plus -12 plus 13 plus 11. You can see, how did I get it? By adding -5 and -7 and more. So right now we are going to do the identity property. So you might already know, like, something plus 0 equals that number does not change. It does not change the answer, and you are correct. So now we're going to see. We're going to simplify this. So -1 plus -12 equals -13, and you can see 13 and 11. You can see. So -13 plus 13, you can see how I got the 13 from, equals 0 plus 11. So you do not add or subtract 11, you just leave it there, and then it equals 11, the answer. So now we're going to find out the question. So you can see the one below, right? 4 plus 18 plus 7 plus -9 plus 3 plus -9. So right now we're going to do that. First you have to do commutative property, isolative property, and identity property. So pause this video to show your work, because we're going to go over it right now. So here is the answer. Commutative property: 4 plus 7 plus 3. You switch them up. Yes, you have to write parentheses because each of them are separate of positive and negative numbers. So 18 plus -9 plus -9. You can see there's going to be identity properties soon. Because, and 9 plus -9 equal -18, and you can see that 18 plus -18 equals 0. But we're forgetting something. We have to add 4 plus 7 plus 3, that equals 14. So 14 plus 0 equal 14. That's the identity property. So we have the next question is 2.5 plus -3 1/3. So solve this problem and pause it. Okay, so right now we're going to go over it. So here are the answers. 2.5 plus 1/2 plus -3 1/3 plus 2 1/3 plus 2 2/3. So you can see, how did I get the commutative property? Right here. So it's 2/3 plus 2/3 equal 4 1/3, but that's for later. So you can see how I showed 2.5 plus 1/2. It goes with the same denominators. So you just add them up. 3 and 1/3, and then you have to add this. That equals 3. So you can see this equation for the isolative property. 3 plus negative and 3 and 1/3 plus minus 3. So that equals 0, and 3 plus 0 is 3. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe.